For your next chance to win a 2.4 holiday,
What?
answer this one. Welcome to episode 3 of Are We There Yet?
You were in Bali. Come on, you were in Bali. You ditched me and went to Bali.
Yeah, Frankie's
Can't
feeling a bit left out. We thought we would tell you a bit more about that trip.
Just validated how much fun the sort of itineraries that we had chose were for the families. They had a really good time.
Checking out the hotels,
Yeah.
some really,
Spot
quite nice accommodation.
on.
Sorry, Frankie, I knew you were sort of. Well, you were obviously on the WhatsApp group as we were talking about it and sharing pictures.
Loving seeing the romance, sunset drinks. There was a lot of team bonding.
So I think, like, for me, some of the big standout things from the trip, Rumah Desa, which we do, it's just north of Ubud. It's a real cultural experience. We had families there with us. You get to learn a bit more about how the Balinese families live.
Anything that you wanted to know about Bali, they show you the proper way how to do it. Their writing with the offering of giving the actual families a name tag and like a necklace, something that they can hold on to as well, which was really, really nice. But yeah, an absolute amazing start of the week to show their way of life. Lovely food, beautiful.
What was your standout activity?
I love the water sports. I love seeing these. I love the manta rays. We saw giant manta rays, and I know what Rick's going to say. Well, you can swim. You're holding onto a thing. I don't particularly enjoy. I don't know. Just snorkeling wasn't the. I needed the. I'm not very good at the breathing when it comes to snorkeling, but it was amazing.
But I think that's a really interesting point that you're not like massive into water sports. You found that snorkeling still quite difficult, but it challenged you, it put you out of your comfort zone. But you're still saying that was an amazing experience.
Amazing. We saw
Like the manta rays,
yeah,
unbelievable.
beautiful coral. There's swarms of fish. Look like Where's Nemo? Finding Nemo. That's what they look like.
They get Where's Wally?
Yeah.
We had several families with us on the trip, and it took no time at all for the families to bond. And I think they did that through children. Frankie, you're a mum of 2 young girls. I'm sure you see it all the time.
You meet other parents and other mums and dads at the park, and you just talk about the kids. It's natural. You just start talking about the activities that they like, and it's lovely seeing them playing together and interacting with other children.
People that are on our trips, they're very like-minded. They love travel. Their parents, they've come on one of our trips because they want adventure, they want experiences. So you have that sort of bond with people straight away.
Yeah, before they've even sort of left the country, you know that you're meeting with people that have got the same sort of mindset as you. You've got children of similar age, and you're going to have an amazing time.
There was something there for kids of all ages. We had kids from the age of 2 up to
8, I think.
Yeah, and it was interesting how they all just mixed. They all enjoyed it. They all took away different things from it.
Yeah,
which was pretty cool. So yeah, I think overall, really, really interesting trip. Really beneficial for us to see, just run from A to Z. In terms of arrival at the airport, getting picked up and met by our team, transfers, good hotels, amazing food. Like the food is just and the kids were loving the local food. There was one of the kids was just at Rumah Desa, the lunch, like he was literally stealing it from his mum and dad's plate. Our team comprises of local people, and it was amazing to see the kids interact as well. They're like the Balinese people are just so friendly.
So friendly, yeah.
The way the families grew up, different generations live together. So obviously family is such a big part of their life. So when you bring like young kids in and they're excited about all this, it's natural for them.
It's just such a blessing.
So then we came back to the office and Frankie brought us back down with a jolt on a team training session today.
which
Wasn't
was
as much
also fun. Maybe not as fun as Bali. We were looking at the customer journey of people online and how they interact with our brand as well. So it's really important to us that we are generating the right type of content people will find useful when planning their trips and when planning travel, and how to travel with young children as well, and how we can make journeys online as seamless as possible.
Yeah.
So it's really super easy for you to find what you want to find, whether it's a cookbook of recipes when you're travelling for your toddlers, or whether it's like games to travel with your young ones with.
What's really important is like we are a brand that wants to speak to people. What we do is so personal. So it's finding those ways that you guys can either get in touch with us or ask us the questions that you need, because we can produce all different content and help books and guides, but it's up to, we need to know what it is you want, because we've so much information out there.
I think it was quite good as well to see where we're interacting with our customers, all these touch points where we can actually just give value, where we can give you extra tips, extra tricks, extra sort of information, or whether it's for the parents, whether it's for the children, so you're well informed.
We want to hear from you guys. We want to be able to provide you guys with the answers you need. Just get in touch.
So for your next chance to win a 2.4 holiday, answer this one. See you on one of our trips soon. Thank you, guys.